Krishgen, established 2003, is an immunoassay manufacturer for life sciences, clinical diagnostics, and food safety industries. Our new state-of-the-art manufacturing lab, situated just outside Mumbai, spans 10,000 square feet and focuses on delivering reliable immunoassay solutions to researchers and clinicians. We are ISO 13485 and CDSCO India certified. All processes take place in ISO class 7 to 8 cleanrooms with epoxy flooring. Quality control is implemented from the start of the product life cycle. We monitor and test each lot of raw materials and reagents before production. All systems are run by our expertly trained scientists and lab personnel. For additional reduction in biocontaminants, we have installed air handling units with HEPA filters that maintain a controlled cleanroom environment across all labs. Automated coding and production lines, along with semi-automated procedures for manual processes, reduce human errors and allow for accuracy and precision. A dedicated quality control lab performs a battery of tests on each of our kits. This includes in-process testing as well as finished product and stability testing. Krishgen's commitment is to meet the highest standards for immunoassay manufacturing. Integral processes like lyophilization and secondary reagent preparation are performed in-house. Stringent protocols allow us to deliver specific, sensitive, and reliable immunoassays. We carefully label each kit with a lot number that allows us to track it through every step of the manufacturing process. This is comprehensively documented according to the ISO 9001 quality standards. The lab comes equipped with temperature-controlled cold room storage and several raw material refrigerators for stocking. Our kits are packaged in the same cleanroom environment to ensure that they are free from contaminants. Shipped with the utmost care to ensure that they arrive at their destination in pristine condition and at the right temperature. We take pride in getting it right every time.